Hey YouTube, Zandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening a brand new hobby box of 2020 Heritage Topps Heritage high number baseball cards. Here's a look at the box. You are guaranteed a real one autograph or relic card in the box. Of course, based on 1971 Topps design. And these actually just came out recently, and I wanted to try a box. I know the rookie checklist isn't exactly what I was hoping for, but I do want to get a Luis Robert rookie out of here. So as long as I can get that, I'll be happy, I guess. As long as it's in halfway decent shape. And then whatever else we get will be bonus. Alright, so let's see here. Set up our box. Got a box topper, greatest moments. I think you can get autographs in these. Let's see what we get. We get Joe Torre. Maybe it's not these that have the autographs. One of the game's greatest moments. Joe rips 2+ RBI again. Okay, here's what the packs look like. Nice pack design. This is the back. No, this is not the back. This is the odds. And I will say this did come out of a fresh case, so I have a legitimate chance at pulling an auto. This is the first box out of a fresh case. So let's see what we get. We get Adolis Garcia, Rangers. Travis d'Arnaud, Cole Hamels. I'm seeing some issues with these cards though. There's like a weird, like a creasing there on the cards, like when they got rolled into the packs. Let's see if you can see that. That's weird. Sheldon Noisy, and you can see like little marks on the card. So that kind of sucks. It's a rookie. Come on, Topps. Got Cody Bellinger, award winner. Jake Bauers, Ryan Harper, Luis Guerrero, and Frankie Montas. There's the backs. Of course, great looking card backs on these. Here we got Daniel Descalso. So this pack isn't like that. You can see that top edge are pretty crisp. Luis Torrens, Chad Wallach, Trey Wingenter, Shogo Akiyama, rookie performers. Tony Kemp, Mitch Moreland, Brandon Kinsler, Greg Bird. Now there are like short prints and stuff you can get. Robinson Chirinos, Jimmy Cordero, Yandy Diaz, Aaron Bummer, Alec Mills, rookie, Frankie Montas, Tanner Rourke, Cy Sneed, rookie, Eric Sogard, and Rangel Ravelo, rookie. I'm just going to look. Oh, wait. I wonder why that one is yellow. The Frankie Montas has a yellow back. Interesting. And a totally different style of back on that card. That's interesting. I'm not sure what that means. Card number 604. I think the cards are over 700, might be short prints. Got Alec Mills. That one is number 711. Okay, interesting back on that one. Let's look at this and see what that means. Boy, I don't know. Have to dig into that and find out why this Frankie Montas has a different back. That's a totally different card back. Okay, cool. There's some cool parallels to Chase in this set, apparently. Miguel Andujar, Tyler Clippard, Adrian Hauser, Jacoby Jones. There's a Eloy Jimenez and Luis Robert. Talent knows talent. Tommy Hunter, Brian Goodwin, Yohander Mendez, rookie. Jake Fraley, rookie. Nick Castellanos. So this one, these have that damage on these too, if you can notice that. Tyrone Taylor, rookie. Kyle Gibson. World Series highlights of 1971. Todd Frazier, Will Castro, Wade Miley, and Robel Garcia. Right? I did order one other box of this online from Cards Infinity. This one was from a local hobby shop. Zach Davies, Jeff Hoffman, Edwin Rios, rookie. Scott Heineman, rookie. Lance McCullers, Kevin Ginkel, DJ Stewart, Freddie Galvis, Lamont Wade. I bought this because most years you get a lot of really good rookie cards in these high number boxes. The Lance McCullers is a short print. Okay. All right, Corey Kluber. He pitched a grand total of 1 innings as a Ranger. Corey Dickerson, but it was a shutdown inning. He did not give up any runs. Ben Zobrist, Jonathan Scope, World Series highlights. Kwang Young Kim, rookie. Luis Robert, nice. And that one has a little bit of these. It's not as bad as some of them, but it's not like perfect. So that one is definitely not a PSA 10 type card, but I'm glad I got one. At least I can put one in my collection. Miles Straw and Delano DeShields Jr. Mookie Betts, Didi Gregorius, Rich Hill, Junior Guerra, Yordan Alvarez, first of many, now and then. Franchi Cordero, Garrett Stubbs, rookie. These rookie card symbols look blurry to me. I don't know if you're noticing that. If you can see that on camera. They look like they're not sharp. So, I don't know if I got like a messed up box or something. Jonathan Lucroy, and see that one looks a little more crisp. Seth Mahias Breen. We got Alex Avila, Omar Narvaez, Zach Wheeler. Got a chrome refractor card there. Ehire Adrianza, Sergio Romo, Luis Renifo, Jake Diekman, David Bednar, rookie, and a Yoshi. Oh, it's a rookie. Yoshi Tsutsugo for the Rays, rookie. And that is the out of 571. Now that looks amazing. Nice looking card there. Michael Waka, Tyler Beatty. See, praying is not lining up on these cards. You can see that. It's like all the ink is shifted over a little bit. Kevin Pillar, Francisco Cervelli, Nestor Cortez, Hunter Pence, Ryan McBroom, rookie. Too bad he has an R in his name. That'd been a cool baseball name. Ryan McBoom. Looks like Baker Mayfield too. Jose Rodriguez, rookie, and Carlos Rodon. just scan through these and see if we got any short prints or any of those weird yellow cards. Nestor Cortez is a short print. You get a lot of cards in these packs, which is pretty awesome. And in the box, Kevin Herrera, Ian Jervis Solarte, Jake Marisnik, Kyle Farmer, Marcell Ozuna. You got Seby Zavala, rookie, Sean Armstrong, Brandon Drury, Kenyon Middleton. Emilio Pagan, Felix Hernandez. On the Braves, that throws me off there, seeing him in the Braves uniform. Homer Bailey, Jalen Davis, rookie, Jacob deGrom, Brad Miller, Jeremy Jeffress, Eric Thames, and Steven Souza Jr. That is one thing about black border cards, is you're going to see every little defect. So if these were white border cards, you might not notice as much of these little issues. Brad Week, Yeimer Candelario, Anthony Rendon, Brusdar Graterol, that's a nice rookie card for the Dodgers. Jake Cave, Tom Eshelman, rookie, Jose Martinez, Jeff Mathis, Yasiel Puig. The Marcell Ozuna, that's short print. The Jake Cave, that's a short print. Still looking for a hit. We got Yoshi Tsutsugo, rookie. David Price, Steven Strasburg, Brian O'Grady, rookie. Max Muncy, Smack Talk. Manuel Margot, Shogo Akiyama, rookie. Hyunjin Ryu, and Emmanuel Clase, rookie. He used to be on the Rangers. I remember him. He's a really good pitcher. That's who we traded for Corey Kluber, who gave us 1 inning of pitching. Tyler Mahle, Chris Davinsky, Chris Davis, Josh Harrison. Ooh, Dansby Swanson. We peeled the auto out of this box. Nice. Now that looks really good. The finish on that. The finish on this is more like the earlier sets of Heritage were this year. Like a really nice finish. These seem like they're a little bit more glossy and have more issues. But he's a good shortstop there for the Braves. That's a really nice looking card too. Awesome. Nice to get an auto instead of a relic. Drew Steckenrider, Domingo Santana, Tim LaCastro, Nomar Mazara. I can tell right now, it's going to be tough to get PSA 10s out of this high number stuff. Justin Smoke, Kyle Higashioka, Edwin Encarnacion, Reggie McClain, rookie, Ernie Banks, Patrick Wisdom, Danny Mendick, rookie, Austin Dean, Kenta Maeda. Danny Duffy, Austin Voth, Jason Castro, Matt Joyce, Shun Yamaguchi, rookie performer, Michael Kopech. See, look, these are right back to these terrible. Whatever happened with these cards, I hope it's not like that on all the other cards, guys. Peter Fairbanks, rookie, Garrett Hampson, and Chad Green. Jarrell Cotton, yeah, these are damaged also. Dylan Betances, C.J. Cron, Cole Calhoun, Wilmer Defoe, Josh Donaldson, Tim Lopez, rookie, Garrett Cole, Brock Holt. It's a little irritating because as expensive as cards are this year, you'd think they would make sure that the quality is right up there, and it just doesn't seem to be. And that's not just with Topps. I've noticed that with Pokemon, the latest Pokemon sets that have been coming out, the quality is not very good. Yet, they're more expensive when they come out. Blake Trinan, Howie Kendrick, Kevin Kramer, Alex Wood. Ooh, there's a nice Kyle Lewis rookie performer. Now, that one actually looks pretty decent. I like that one. I like this insert set, rookie performers. Yoenis Cespedes, Daniel Hudson, Josh Fagley, and Franklin Bro. You know what? I forgot to look for short prints in those last ones. Got sidetracked. You're always it's always good to take your time and go through your heritage cards, because you could have like a rare short print or action image or something that you didn't notice. That one's a short print. Wilmer Defoe. Okay, I don't think we've hit any type of image variations. James Karinchak, rookie. Cody Stashak, rookie. Johan Carmago. Pedro Strop. Pete Alonso, award winner. Shun Yamaguchi, rookie. Brian Dozier. Luis Sessa. Austin Pruitt. Salvador Perez. That one's all messed up too. Colin McHugh. Jared Dyson. We got something here. Ooh, we might have gotten a black refractor. Oh, no. It wouldn't be a black refractor. It'd just be the chrome card. Jared Dyson, Eric Lauer, Garrett Stubbs, rookie. Out of 9.99. So we got a refractor chrome card and a regular chrome card. And they're both rookies. That's pretty nice. Andrew Kashner, Tommy Kalme, Randy Dubnak, rookie, and Julio Teheran. Now, I will say, at least the hits, the autograph, and the chrome cards, they look fantastic. There's no types of damage on those. See, look, this has a line right down the middle of the card. Crazy. Carl Edwards Jr., Hernan Perez, Martin Maldonado, Jimmy Nelson, Otani history making, Steve Cishek, Jalen Beeks, Jonathan Hernandez, rookie. One's the Rangers. Tyler Duffy. He's actually a really good pitcher for the Rangers. I'm surprised they haven't traded him off. They've been trading anybody and anyone who has done any type of who has any type of trade value. They're sending out. I think they want to totally rebuild. So it's gonna be a long season watching Rangers games this year. Ryan Cordell, Jason Kipnis, Matt Strahm, Joey Wendell, Starling Marte, Austin Allen, Carter Kieboom, Jesus Tinoco, Roman Quinn. And we'll go ahead and open this last pack. Keon Wong. Man, it's so bad. We even have a Dean Corner up there. Lines all over the card. Come on, guys. Jack Mayfield. And look at that border. Just trash. And it's got the ding corner and everything. Ronnie Rodriguez, Jose Iglesias, Kyle Garlick, Dallas Keuchel, John Bertel, Cameron Maben, and Miguel Franco. So, short print, Starling Marte. And Kyle Garlick is a short print also. So, in review, the base card quality is terrible, but we did get some short prints. We got this Garrett Stubbs. This one is nice. The chrome card out of $9.99, rookie. We got a Kyle Lewis, rookie performer. We got this awesome Dansby Swanson on-card autograph. And if you can tell the finish on this card is 1,000,000 times nicer than the finish on the regular base cards. So, unfortunately, this set has some poor finish on it. But at least your hits, they should be nice. We also got this Goshi Tsutsugo Refractor rookie card. That's nice. Luis Robert rookie, which isn't perfect. And, oh yeah, there's Frankie Montas. Interesting back on that with the yellow back. Totally different design on the back. All right. I wonder if this is a French. I think this is the French because that's French writing right there. Oh yeah, this is the French writing parallel. All right, stay tuned for more videos.